The importance of gas masks and their different types. Gas masks are protective devices designed to shield the wearer from inhaling harmful airborne substances such as toxic gases, chemicals, smoke, and biological agents. These masks have been used for decades in military, industrial, and emergency settings, but their importance extends beyond specialized professions. In today's world, with the potential for chemical accidents, natural disasters, or security threats, understanding the value of gas masks and the different types available can be life-saving. The importance of gas masks. The primary purpose of a gas mask is to protect the respiratory system. Inhaling toxic or hazardous particles can cause immediate health problems, ranging from irritation and difficulty breathing to permanent lung damage or even death. Gas masks provide a critical line of defense in situations where the air is unsafe to breathe. Military and defense use. Soldiers rely on gas masks to survive in chemical or biological warfare environments. History has shown that gas attacks are devastating, and masks are often the only way to remain functional in those scenarios. Emergency and disaster preparedness. Civilians may need gas masks during industrial accidents, fires producing toxic smoke, or natural disasters that release hazardous materials into the air. Having one in a preparedness kit can be just as important as food or water. Occupational safety. Workers in industries such as chemical manufacturing, firefighting, and hazardous waste management use masks to reduce long-term exposure to dangerous fumes and particles. Protecting respiratory health is vital for career longevity and overall safety. Public health. In rare events involving pandemics or biological threats, masks can serve as protective barriers to reduce exposure to airborne pathogens. Different types of gas masks. Gas masks come in several designs, each tailored to specific threats and environments. The main types include disposable respirators, N95, N99, etc. Lightweight and affordable, these masks filter out most airborne particles, commonly used for dust, smoke, and some biological contaminants, not effective against toxic gases or chemicals. Half-face respirators cover the nose and mouth with replaceable filter cartridges, useful for chemical fumes, paint vapors, and certain industrial tasks. Require goggles for full eye protection. Full-face respirators cover the entire face, including eyes, with integrated filters. Provide more comprehensive protection against gases, vapors, and airborne particles. Often used in industrial and emergency response settings. Powered air purifying respirators, PAPRs. Use a battery-powered fan to draw air through filters, reducing breathing resistance. Offer comfort for long-term use and strong protection. Common in medical, industrial, and hazardous environments. Military-grade gas masks designed for combat and chemical/biological warfare. Include advanced filters, drinking systems, and communication features. Provide maximum protection in extreme situations. Conclusion. Gas masks are not just tools for soldiers or industrial workers. They are essential pieces of protective equipment that can safeguard lives in emergencies. By filtering out harmful particles, gases, and biological agents, they provide crucial respiratory protection in situations where clean air cannot be guaranteed. Whether it is a disposable mask for everyday safety, a full-face respirator for hazardous environments, or a military-grade mask for extreme threats, each type has its role. Owning and knowing how to use the appropriate gas mask can mean the difference between safety and serious harm.